To import your customers into your Reviso agreement, they need to be laid out in a specific way on an Excel CSV file. If you've exported your customers from an existing Reviso agreement and you're importing them into a new agreement, then you can export them from the system and they will automatically appear in this layout, as you can see. However, if you're coming from a different system, then you need to put them into these columns: customer number, customer group, name, address, postcode, etc. So this is how your file needs to be laid out. So once your file is established and you've laid it out in this way, then you can go in to your Reviso agreement and you need to go to Settings and All Settings, and then under the main option Company you'll see the menu option Import Data. So we're going to be importing customer details. Choose your file, so locate your file and select Load. You'll then see this screen. So the source file is the file that you created with your customer name and address on, and the load file down here, this is where you're going to load the information into. You need to make sure of a couple of things. First of all, skip lines. This enables you to highlight the first row or sometimes the second row that has header information, because you cannot import that, so it needs just to be highlighted. Secondly, create new items. We're going to be creating new accounts. If you were amending existing, then you would untick that and then just tick the box that you want to amend. So if suddenly all of your clients change their email address or they change their name or whatever, and you want to do changes en masse, then you can download your Excel file into here and then you can tick which columns you want to update. Okay, so back to creating new. So basically what we're going to do is map the columns. So customer number is column 1, customer group is column 2, name is 3, address is 4. So we're just checking address 2, postcode is 5. Let's just move along a bit. Town is 6, county, country is 8, and telephone number is column 9, and email is 10, web 11, zone 13, currency. If they were all one particular currency, then what you can do is you can say fixed value and then you can change this to whatever currency you're going to import them in as. So in this case we're going to say, because we do have different currencies, so it's column 14, company reg if there is any, and so on and so forth. So you're just basically mapping out payment terms 18, okay, right, so when that's all done you simply click on import data. You will then see a message letting you know that the number of customers have been loaded. So we can close down this screen and go back to our main screen. Go to sales, go to customers, and you will then see your customers listed here, showing 10 to the page, so you can show all. And you can also click on here and have the customers in numerical order, or you can search your name, or you can use this search field here. If you want to check or make any amendments to any of the customers that you've imported, you can use the edit icon here, and that will take you into the customer and you can make any changes which you can subsequently save.